Hey, this is Mike Pays Home Service. Normally, I manifested a ice maker. Now, normally people would throw this away, but I said, hey, do you want that? Yeah. Stay tuned for the transformation. It's about a $200 ice maker. Let's see what I can do with it. So now I got it all broke down. I'm gonna clean this condenser, clean this ice maker here. This is your ice maker. Your fan, your cooling fan. Clean those fans, clean this fan up. All that dirt off there. Be careful about this. Clean my grills off or fins. Ain't gonna mess with this. This is my condenser. This is the actual activator of the compressor. This is compressed gas, Freon or whatever. I don't know what it is, but I got it all apart from here, from my plate. Clean my plate. All right, stay. Okay, so now that I've cleaned some space on my phone, I'm able to show you all the progress we're making. We're trying to get this back to clean that off. Some brushes. Clean that off. This is the ice maker part. I had to get all in there. I had to run to Home Depot and get some lime away. And some vinegar, some vinegar and water. Clean the fan up. These are all the parts right here. Remember all those parts? I still I'm gonna do a double clean on them. And just hard water. So just one. This right here. I gotta get that off. Hard water calcium, I guess, or hard water sediment, what they call it. So I got some fresh vinegar and some lime away. We're gonna have this bad boy. Oh, here's the inside. So that's the inside of it. I'm going to. There we go. Inside, all that, I gotta get all that out. All this will be cleaned, disinfected. This will be a brand new machine by the time I'm done with it. The only thing that I'm hoping that I won't damage is this right here. So I gotta get that calcium buildup. And what I hope I won't do is what I already started to do. See how I started to scratch it? So, see, I was scratching it. So hopefully there's a trick for that. I'm going to try that later. And, okay, stay tuned. So check this out. This is the impeller in the water pump that goes into the, this is the, let me see if I can pick it up without dropping stuff. This is my motor. And that, I gotta clean that out. There is the top of that. I got it soaking in some vinegar. But look at that water, look at that hard water buildup on that motor. Look at that washer. I'm gonna lose that. Look at that. I got everything basically clean. This is that. I got just a little bit right there that I got to take care of. Then I got to start working on that. Oh, and this right here. That's good. It's coming along. Getting that all out of there. Got some vinegar soaking in that thing. We're going to have this thing brand new in a minute. Stay tuned for more. Okay, we're coming along with the progress. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. And then this is the rest of the water pump that's going back in here. Got it all going back together now. So we're going to be making ice pretty soon. Clean that off. So. All right, stay tuned. Well, it seems like it's working. I don't know how these ice makers work, but I think I should have turned that tube a little bit more. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know. I never had one before. I know I'm gonna run it a couple times, clean it out again. There she is. Got me an ice maker. You've seen the video. I took it from, I don't know if it was even working. You know, the stuff was got no leaks. So, stay tuned for more. Well, it made ice the first time. Let's see how it does running. I'm gonna run this cycle and then I'm gonna put fresh water in. Seems to be working though. I don't know. Tell me what you think. How'd I do? Told you I can fix it. Well, I guess you can say it made ice. All right. Sweet. Hey, thanks for joining me. I hope you like the content. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see what job I come up with next. Thanks again, and have a tremendous day.